Hello friends, Prerna this side from iNeuron, and today we'll start a new topic of trigonometry, that is trigonometric equation. So in the previous chapters, in each chapter we have discussed some formulas and then we solve the questions related to those formulas. Today we'll do the same thing. In this chapter we will find the general solution of the form sine theta is equal to 0 or cos theta is equal to 0 or tan theta is equal to 0 or sine theta is equal to sine alpha. This can be form of the given question for each trigonometric term. It can be cos theta is equal to cos alpha, tan theta equal to tan alpha, and so on. Okay, so let's start from question number 1. In question number 1, it says 2 sine theta plus 1 is equal to 0. And you have to find the general solution. So we can write 2 sine theta equal to minus 1. It is sine theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Then it is sine theta is equal to minus sine 30. Okay. Now in odd even function we have discussed that sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Similarly, cosec minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. So, whenever we have to solve a question which is in the form of sine or cosec, then we will follow a particular method. But if we have a question asking about cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then we have to apply क्वाड्रेंट रूल. ओके, सो याद रखिएगा कि जब भी आपका साइन या कोसेक होगा उनको जनरल सॉल्यूशन निकालने का मेथड अलग है, और अगर आपका कॉस हो कॉस हो, सेक हो, टैन हो, कॉट हो, देन उनको सॉल्व करने के लिए हम लोग क्वाड्रेंट रूल अप्लाई करेंगे. सो विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस क्वेश्चन. इट इज साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू माइनस साइन थीटा. माइनस साइन थीटा कैन बी रिटन एज साइन माइनस थीटा. सो वी कैन राइट साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू sine minus pi by 6. Okay, now this is of the form sine theta is equal to sine alpha. Okay, so it is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n, and then it is alpha, which is minus pi by 6. So this is the general solution. This is the general solution of given question. We can also write it like theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n plus 1 pi by 6. Can be? So this is the general solution of given question. Okay, so let's move on to next question, that is cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta is equal to minus half. Now this is cos. Okay, so we have to apply quadrant rule. Okay, so this is cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta is equal to minus cos 60 it is. Okay, so it is minus cos pi by 3. Now in this question you have to apply quadrant rule. How we can apply it? We know that in second quadrant cos is negative, isn't it? And for second quadrant what we can write? We know that it is 0, it is pi by 2, and it is pi. So we can write pi minus something for second quadrant. So it is cos 3 theta is equal to cos pi minus pi by 3. So it is nothing but cos 2 pi by 3. And here it is cos 3 theta. Now this equation is of the form cos theta is equal to cos alpha, where theta is 3 theta and alpha is 2 pi by 3. Okay, so it is general solution is theta. Here 3 theta is the theta. Theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Okay, now theta is equal to 2n pi by 3. Okay, this 3 plus minus 2 pi by 3 into 3, that is 9. Okay, so this is the quadrant rule. Now moving on to next question, that is tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta by 3 is equal to root 3. Okay, so it is tan 2 theta by 3 is equal to root 3. Root 3 is tan 60, which is pi by 3. Okay, now it is of the form tan theta is equal to tan alpha, which means theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, that is pi by 3. Okay, now since 2 by 3 is on this side, so we will multiply the other side by 3 by 2. Okay, so it will give theta is equal to 3n pi by 2. Okay, plus 3 pi by 2 into 3. So it is actually pi by 2. So this is the general solution. We can write 3n pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Isn't it? Okay, moving on to next question. Question says sine 9 theta sine 9 theta is equal to sine theta. Okay, sine 9 theta is equal to sine theta. Now in this question we get confused that it can be sine theta is equal to sine alpha form. But for sine theta equal to sine alpha, both the angles should be different. If I say sine theta is equal to sine alpha, then if it is theta, then it is not theta. Okay, so in this question, we do not confuse that it is sine theta is equal to sine alpha form. So what we have to do here, we have to write it like sine 9 theta minus sine theta is equal to 0. Okay, now it is sine c minus sine d form, which is 2 sine c minus d by 2 into cos c plus d by 2. So we can write 2 sine c minus d 8 theta by 2 into cos c plus d tan theta by 2. So it is 2 sine 4 theta cos 5 theta is equal to 0. Okay, for finding general solution, we can write sine 4 theta is equal to 0. So it is actually sine theta equal to 0, whose general solution is theta is equal to n pi. So it is theta is equal to n pi by 4. Or sine 4 theta cos 5 theta is also there. So it is cos 5 theta is equal to 0. Cos theta is equal to 0 says theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Theta is 5 theta, 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So it is theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Okay, so this is the general solution. These two are general solution of given question. Okay, moving on to next question. It is sine theta is equal to tan theta. Again in this question we have to bring tan theta on left hand side. So it is sine theta minus tan theta is equal to 0. Okay, so it is sine theta minus sine theta by cos theta is equal to 0. If I'll take sine theta common, it is 1 minus 1 by cos theta, which is 0. Now it is sine theta cos theta minus 1 by cos theta is equal to 0. Okay, now it is either sine theta cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Now either this equal to 0 or this. So it will give sine theta is equal to 0 or cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. So it is cos theta is equal to 1. Cos theta is equal to cos 0. If you know. Okay, ये तो हो गया. Now it is sine theta is equal to 0. Sine theta is equal to 0 is equal क्या होता है? Sine theta equal to 0 is theta is equal to n pi. So we will write the same thing here. Theta is equal to n pi. So this is the general solution. Okay, this is the general solution. Two general solution are there for this question. Okay, moving on to next question. Question says solve the equation sine theta. Solve the equation sine theta plus sine 3 theta plus sine 5 theta is equal to 0. Again in this question we have to think that which two term will give third term. Like if I'll choose this and this, theta and 5 theta. So on adding and dividing by 2, 6 theta by 2 is 3 theta. Okay, so we can use these two terms together. So let's start. So it is nothing but sine theta plus sine 5 theta and sine 3 theta. Now, sine C plus sine D is 2 sine C plus D by 2. 2 sine C plus D, 5 plus 1, 6 theta by 2, that is 3 theta. Okay, and then cos C minus D by 2. Cos 4 theta by 2, that is 2 theta. Now, from both the groups, we can take common sine 3 theta. So, we are left with 2 cos 2 theta plus 1. Okay, so it is sine 3 theta is equal to 0. So it is of the form, which form it is? It is sine theta is equal to 0. Just write down the general solution, okay, which is theta is equal to n pi, okay, n pi. So it is n pi. So finally it is theta is equal to n pi by 3. Okay, now for the second part, 2 cos 2 theta, 2 cos 2 theta is equal to minus 1, or we can write cos 2 theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is actually cos 60. So it is cos pi by 3. Again, in second quadrant cos is negative, so we can write cos 2 theta is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. Okay. Now it is of the form cos theta is equal to cos alpha, for which solution is theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. So theta is 2 theta. Theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha is 2 pi by 3. So it is theta is equal to, on dividing each term by 2, it is n pi plus minus pi by 3. So this is the general solution. Okay. So there are two general solutions on this question. Got it? So moving on to next question. Next question is solve the equation cos theta plus cos 3 theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. Again, in this question, we can see that this is different. Okay, it is multiplied by 2. So we can apply these two terms. We can use these two terms using the formula. So it is cos C plus cos D, cos theta plus cos 3 theta minus 2 cos 2 theta is equal to 0. Okay. Now according to the formula for these two terms, we can write 2 cos C plus D by 2. 2 cos C plus D, 3 plus 1, 4 theta by 2, it is 2 theta. Okay. And then it is cos C minus D by 2. Cos 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 theta by 2 is actually theta. Minus 2 cos 2 theta is equal to 1. Okay. Now again we can take common 2 cos 2 theta. So it is cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1. Sorry, it was 0, no? 0. Okay. Now it is 2 cos 2 theta is equal to 0, or we can say cos 2 theta is equal to 0, and cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Cos theta is equal to 1. Okay. Now it is cos theta is equal to 0. Then theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So it is theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 4. So this is the first general solution of this question. Now in this question it is cos theta is equal to cos 0. Okay. Again we'll apply the general solution. Okay. Moving on to next question, that is question number 4. Question number 4 says solve the equation sine 2 theta plus cos theta is equal to 0. Okay. So what we have to do here, we don't have any formula which says sine something plus cos something. Okay. Either both are sine or both are cos. So in this question I am writing sine 2 theta is equal to minus cos theta. Or I can write cos theta is equal to minus sine 2 theta. Okay, now it is cos theta and minus sine theta can be written as sine minus theta, है ना? ठीक है? Now we know that according to complementary rule, sine 90 minus theta is cos theta and cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. So this can be written as sine 90 minus theta. Okay, now we can apply, this is sine pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, both are in sine, no? See, if I want to convert both of them into cos, then what we have to do here? It is cos theta, leave it. It is cos theta. Okay, and it is a sine minus theta. Now, cos theta is equal to sine theta is cos 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. Okay, so it is cos theta is equal to cos 90 plus theta. Okay, now it is of the form cos theta is equal to cos alpha. We can find the general solution of this question. Okay, I am leaving this question on you. Solve it by yourself. Moving to question number 5. Question number 5 says solve the equation sec square 2x is equal to 1 minus tan 2x. See, we know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Isn't it? So, sec square 2 theta can be written as 1 plus tan square 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan 2x. Now it is, cancel out the 1. It is tan square 2x plus tan 2x is equal to 0. ठीक है, तो आप अगर इसमें tan 2x कॉमन लेते हैं तो ये tan 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 होगा. Again we have two things, tan 2x is equal to 0 और tan 2x equal to minus 1. Okay, now it is of the form tan theta is equal to 0. This one, tan theta is equal to 0. Then theta is equal to n pi. So 2x is equal to n pi. So x is equal to n pi by 2. So this is a general solution. Similarly, for this part, we can write tan 2x is equal to minus tan 45. Now see, according to quadrant rule, tan इसमें तो all positive है, tan is negative in this. So we can write tan pi minus pi by 4. Okay, so pi minus pi by 4 is nothing but 3 pi by 4. So it is 3 pi by 4 and it is tan 2x. Now this is of the form tan theta is equal to tan alpha. So it is theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, 3 pi by 4. Okay, in the next step, what we can do? We can do x is equal to n pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 8. So this is the second general solution of given question. Okay, hope it is clear. Moving on to question number 6. So question number 6 is 2 cos square theta plus 3 sin theta is equal to 0. Again in this question we have cos as well as sin. So we have to convert both the equation into cos or sin. So what we can do here? We can write cos square as 1 minus sin square theta. Can we do this? Now 2 minus 2 sin square theta plus 3 sin theta is equal to 0. Okay, so we'll shift all the terms on RHS. So it is 2 sin square theta minus 3 sin theta minus 2. So it is 2 sin square theta minus 4 sin theta plus sin theta minus 2. Okay, if I'll take 2 sin theta common, then it is sin theta minus 2. And again here sin theta minus 2. Got it? Now it is sin theta minus 2 is equal to 0 or 2 sine theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, sine theta is equal to 2, which is not possible. Okay, for any value of sine 2 doesn't come. Sine के values में 2 नहीं आता है, so this is invalid. Now, for this part, it is 2 sine theta is equal to minus 1. It is sine theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Sine theta is equal to minus sine 30. Okay, so it is sine theta is equal to sine minus pi by 6. ठीक है. Now it is of the form sine theta is equal to sine alpha. So general solution is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n. Alpha is minus pi by 6. Again we can write it n pi plus minus 1 to the power n plus 1. We have done this before. So this is the general solution of the given question. So there is only one general solution for this question. Okay, so that's it for the video. Rest of the question we will discuss in next video. Till then, bye bye.